Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are having a great time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to bypass the Google account on our Samsung mobile devices. This works for almost all Samsung devices. In this case, I will leave a list down below. This method will work for Samsung devices with MediaTek, Snapdragon, and Exynos processors. So let's get started. Alright guys, before doing the FRP, there are some conditions we need to keep in mind, which are the following. First of all, the phone must be freshly formatted. We cannot have in fact tried other methods before. They have to go to recovery and format it. Secondly, for this method, we will need a computer and also a Type-C cable or one that is compatible with our phone. And third, do not have a SIM card inserted at the top. We do not need a signal, just Wi-Fi. It is very important to keep this in mind. And now, with these conditions, we can start. Well guys, as you can see here at the top, it shows me the little lock icon, which means that the phone is locked with a Google account. Please do not skip any steps. I repeat, it is very important. We will click on start. Do not skip any of these steps. We accept the terms and conditions. As you can see, this phone has the latest version of Android. In this case, it works for Android 15 and Android 14. And as you can see, I already get the notification that an unauthorized reset was attempted, connecting to a Wi-Fi network for activation. It will ask for a Google account or the pattern we have. In this case, very importantly, I will click accept. We are going to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and when it is connecting, we will go back ready. We are not going to click next because the method is not going to work for us. In this case, we are going to add a Wi-Fi network, and here we will add it. I will click connect here. And let's go back. Okay? Several times. Before this menu comes up, let's keep forcing it. And there we go. We've gone all the way back. Alright guys. Now that we have this, we will simply leave the phone still. And we will go to the computer to download two programs that are completely free. Well guys, now that we are here on the computer, as I mentioned, these two programs are completely free. They are free and do not include any paid options or anything like that. So we're just going to open our favorite browser and we're going to type in the browser 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗔𝗥𝗠𝗘, just as this channel is called, and we're going to give it search on Google. Here we have 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗔𝗥𝗠𝗘. Official website, be very careful that it says 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗔𝗥𝗠𝗘.com. This is to avoid scams or virus-laden programs. Now that we are here, we are going to download the program called SandFlash, just like that. I will also leave the links down below in the description so that you can download one of them. Let's go ahead and give SandFlash the latest version, and we will also click on open to download it again. Open to download it, and while we're here, we will simply download it. But before downloading it guys, this program is detected as a virus, so it is very important for us to disable the antivirus. And for that, we are going to open our antivirus. If you have Windows Defender or any antivirus you have subscribed to, we will activate it for the moment. In this case, we are going to go and deactivate each one of these, okay? You can have them enabled here. I have them disabled for this tutorial at the moment. Otherwise, they won't even let you download the program. Now we are going to proceed to download it. And once we download it, we just open WinRAR exactly the same. And we can run it. In this case, we can extract the folder wherever we want. I will extract it to our documents. And here guys, I have already brought them. Here, we have the little program. And we are going to open this one that we are seeing here, which is kind of purple. We will double click it. It will ask for administrator permission. We will say yes. Don't worry, it doesn't have a virus. Here it is checking if it is the latest version, and it simply accesses. If it gets stuck loading and shows you a sad face that doesn't progress, that means that the servers are down, they are not working. I recommend trying again later because this program operates on a server. As I mentioned, it is completely free. At the moment, I have not logged in as you can see, but that's what we have. Alright guys. We are simply going to use a certain version, in this case for the A55 phones that are from the United States or have Exynos or Snapdragon processors. We will use box number 3, and for those of us with MTK processors, we will use the first box. Those with MTK are the A55, A0, let's say A04, and there are some A14. The lower to mid-range usually has MediaTek processors. In this case, since it is an A55, we will do this, and later we will explain how to do it with this method. For this, we are going to go to our phone. While on the home screen, we will simply connect it to the computer. We will leave it still on the table. And we are simply going to select the last box, which would be this one. We will wait for it to recognize it. If it does not recognize it, I will also be providing you with the Samsung drivers, which are the controllers. Also down here in the description, so that you can download and install it for your phone to be detected by the computer. As you can see, it says that the FRP is locked. The first step went well. It's doing the booting, and now we just have to wait. The program does practically everything by itself. As I mentioned, this may work for you, or it may not. In the next part, I will show you another method. So if this method doesn't work for you, you can skip ahead a little, as I will be explaining it here. As you can see, the phone is turning on. I'm trying not to cut the cameras, just using a fast camera. Okay. Say okay when it says okay. A tip for many of you. If you get a fail or error right now, don't worry. We are simply going to click on start. And for those who saw it in green or whatever, we are just going to click on accept. We are going to select the manual settings and we will do the method from here, and when it is okay, we will click next. Ready. In this case, I have already tried it on this phone. If it works for me, I will click next. Don't worry if you get a fail message. As you can see here at the top, the lock icon still appears. That's why it's important to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. We will go to settings here later. And we need to start preparing the device. This may take a little while. 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗔𝗥𝗠𝗘. Here it is already making the checks. Let's see if the tutorial worked. Okay. The lock icon still appears, but it gives the option to skip. Let's go ahead and skip, guys. We select skip. We will choose that we do not want a backup. And as you can see, the lock has already disappeared from the top. Let's select skip. Skip. And as you can see, the account has been bypassed. Let's click on skip. Bypass in two ways. And as I told you, if it didn't work for you, it will ask for the pattern and the Google account again. Right now, we are going to see another method that might work. In this case, we are going to skip this. And that's it, guys. As you can see, the phone is now unlocked. I highly recommend, very highly recommend that you go to the settings and format the phone from here. Alright, so that it doesn't give you any problems or cause the system to bug out or anything like that. And here I'm going to reset it, guys. And it has already started to format. With this, we eliminate that headache of whether the tutorial worked or not. I'm going to wait for it to turn on. I'm going to set it up, and we will move on to part 2 of how to do the second option. That might also work on your phone if this first option didn't work for you. Alright guys, in step number 2, the phone has already turned on. It turned on formatted. It no longer has the lock. If you look, it is completely unlocked. I will show you how it would be in step number 2, as I do not have another Samsung to demonstrate. But here I explain, we are simply going to disconnect the computer for a moment. If we had the program open, I suggest closing it and reopening it. Here we are already running it. Ready? It has detected it. And here is the program again. Let's go up here to Tools. And we are going to select the first option. In this case, what we need to do is restart our phone in download mode. For this, we will turn it off. Press the volume down and the power button. We are going to turn it off. And very importantly, the cable must be connected to the computer. We will press the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time and connect the cable. Just like this. And we would already be in downloading mode. Here, we just need to press the volume up button once and we would already be in downloading mode. Now, on our computer, we will simply use the first option, which would be Samsung MTP FRP Odin. We click on it, it detects it, and here we would start the process. In this case, as I mentioned, it is not going to work on this phone because it has a processor that is not MediaTek. That is not MTK. Here, it will simply show OK, and the phone will restart, and it would be completely bypassed. In this case, if it doesn't work for you and you get stuck here, just press the volume down and the power button to exit download mode. This method will not work for me. However, it often takes up to 3 minutes to start this process. I already tried it, as I told you it didn't work for me. So I'm just going to start it. And with that, guys, you will also be able to bypass the Google account for free. For those who didn't find any of these methods useful, unfortunately, you would have to resort to a completely paid method. If you want to have a premium and super affordable service to bypass an account, whether it's from Samsung or iCloud, I will provide a link to WhatsApp below in the description of this video. There is a group where you can request a reliable remote service with a guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, we will refund your money, but the work is 100% guaranteed. We work remotely. The only requirement is that you also need to have a computer for us to be able to access it. You just connect the phone and we handle the bypasses, whether it's for iCloud, a Google account, or anything else you need. Those who are members of the Access Number 3 channel also have a much larger discount for those processes. In the future, we will see if channel members will be able to access completely free paid applications if they have the membership activated, but just a heads up, that is not available yet. These are plans for the future. So don't forget to activate the notification bell, subscribe, and leave that powerful like. For support, I'm just going to continue and finish the tutorial. Let's accept this. Go ahead and skip. If you notice, we click next. And the phone is completely free, guys. As I said, don't worry if this doesn't work for you. If you need help, you know where to go to the link and we can provide assistance there. And there you have it, guys. As you can see, the tutorial worked. The bypass was executed correctly. So I repeat, don't forget to give me your powerful like if it worked for you. Activate the notification bell for all notifications so you can receive more tutorials like this. Follow me on all my social media, which will be down here in the description. Also, here on the screen are the new followers. Thank you so much. 1,000 thanks for that support. Welcome to the new top donors of the channel. I remind you, I've already told you the benefits you have. If you take action at Access Number 3, you will have personalized advice, account consultation help, possibly for free. If not, a much cheaper price will be provided. I've also seen it here on the screen as root for any Samsung A models 2024. And more videos that I know you will like. And as in all my videos, I don't like to keep you waiting. Until next time, bye bye.